Hello everyone, good evening. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello Samu, welcome sa stream. Welcome. Kumusta? Kuya Zed, hello. How are you? Thank you for liking the live. Hello DPS Doctor. Welcome to your stream. Welcome. How is everyone doing? Oh. Hello ko sa may anak ko sa stream. Welcome. Ito natuto na mag-smoke. Nice, nice. May Valorant ka right now? Hi, hi. Hello nak. Welcome to the stream. Yes. Ooh, okay, okay. Hindi naman ako masyadong mag actually, di nga sure ako. I'm not sure kung gagawin ko yung story ngayon. Most likely hindi. Pero, yeah. Baka mag-grind na lang ako sa currency wars. Tapos lang po. Oh, nice, nice. Naunan ko ma right now. Palitan mo na yung ano niyan. Palitan mo na yung punta ng unan mo. Till that come. I have an average score of 220 score. Eh, actually, okay na. Actually, okay nga yun eh. Kahapon I think it was two times I got robbed of my MVP status. Naglalaro ko offline. Well, wala namang magagawa dun. Yeah. Not that and away. Wait, wala yung chat. Ay, shucks! So, ano? Sorry, forgot. I forgot to open my Techfinity. May yan eh. Um, yan, try nyo nga mag-chat ulit. Hello, Random Orishima. Welcome. Is it still not working? Hindi pa rin nagana. Wait. Wow. If we never had to let go. Sandali. I'll just fix this real quick. Something. Ayan, okay na. Um, I wanted freedom around people I care about. My parents won't allow it. Like, napag-usapan na natin yan na kung ano yung gagawin mo in the future. Buong gabi nata ko wag na. Ah, Um, I think ito lang naman kasi yung kailangan kong gano'n yung ascension levels. We never had to let go. And start over again. Right now. I have improved from playing Omen Garden. That's good. That's good to hear. Ano, pag-practicein mo lang yan, ano, Samo. Ayoko na maging panganay. Well, ngayon, at least yun now, may ano ka, older brother figure ka. It's all gone. I'm sure if we try, our love could be stronger. If we could start over again, I'm sure. Well, nagiging passive aggressive na me. I mean, pwede, yeah, okay naman kay ano kay Omen kasi maging ano, aggressive. Iniyakan ko na nga eh. True. Oh, hindi ko pala ito nilagay. Ayan. Um, Bro, si ako yun. Ano ba yun? Paano ba pagkakasunod nito? Social cipher. Okay, okay. Inside a lie. Inside. I think puro debuff to eh. Yeah, puro debuff to. Air supply, yes. We don't forget that there is current never change. That's good, that's good. Nagde-debate nga ako kung magsi-stream ba ako ngayong gabi or hindi. Pero, I think it's been like what? 2, 3 days na hindi ako nagsi-stream. Kaya sabi ko, sige na nga, I'll just stream na lang ulit. Ewan ko if i-stream ko yung pag-Valorant namin mamaya. Or kung tuloy pa ba yung Valorant namin. It's been 2 days. Ah, okay, okay. Sorry. Let you fall. No what. Lagi may collab pala ako. Tapos andito ka? Punta ka na sa collab mo, uy. Ninja pick. Napaka-weird doon. Hindi na. Sa 26 pa. Ah, okay. Yan ba yung kasama si Gojang? Yes, so. Okay. Ano nga ba lalaroin niya dyan? I forgot. Nasabi na sa akin yun ni ano eh. Ni Gojang pero hindi ko na matandaan. Roblox. Oh, okay. I'm nervous about it. Why? Don't be nervous. Every day I know there's nothing better than you. Ayun. They're gonna judge my mommy Raga, Roblox Avatar. Hindi naman siguro. I can make the runner stumble. I can make the runner fall. I can make it runner forever. So yeah, I'm gonna fill myself up. Go lang. Or should I switch to the got mommy one? Hindi ko alam. Hello, Novi. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. Thank you for like a live meeting. Thank you. How are you? How's your evening? Oo na. Thank you for sharing a live meeting. Thank you. Not loading natin. No. Problemado lang. Kaya, ano, kaya nagda-doubt ako kanina kung mag-stream ako or hindi eh. Pero, sabi ko I'll just pull through it na lang. Kahit pa paano ma-distract ko man ng sarili ko. Pero, iiwan ko na yung stream ako. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all.
I weep for the departed.
Out of nothing at all. Usually, in-auto ko lang to.
Little more heat. Since you're already here, why not have a meal before you leave?
Destined for oblivion. I weep for the departed.
Oh, we put it apart. Oh, oh. Naglalag ako? Beba? Hello? Di ba ako rinig? Hello? Is my stream lagging ba? Yes, mami. Ngayon, okay na. Sana okay na. Yes, mami. Okay. Ba't mami bigla tawag mo sa akin? Comes off a broken heart. How they parted. How they thought they found someone who does right. Wala na nga.
I weep for the departed.
Becomes after. Kuya Zed, may way po ba mag-obtain ng mga skin sa Valo? Bibilin mo. O hindi kaya ano, tawag ito?
Since you're already here,
Either bibilin mo or bibili ka ng battle pass. Either way, bibili ka.
Everything in this world is bleeding. Netmarker Festival. Time for a good old counterattack.
little more heat.
I weep for the departed. It is a fall.
I don't wanna spend money on a game I can't win. Well, no choice. Eddie, no skins. Yung skins ko, either battle pass or libre sa akin eh. Kunin ko lang sa kalaban yun, pwede.
Found me.
Baneful clouds scatter. I weep for the departed. It is a fall.
Oh.
Netmarker Festival.
Ah.
Good old counterattack.
Baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Oh, baby, baby. Today. Something wasn't right. Let's do together. Kasi di ba walang agent na nagbibibig ng agents? Wala. Mga sorry in advance, medyo freaky anak nyo ngayon. Sanay na ako.
I weep for the departed.
Oh. I still believe, I'm not gonna keep me aside. Hit me, baby, one more time. Think I did. I wouldn't do. The problem. Okay, display lang pala yung dalawa. I must confess, I still believe, still believe. I want dominant daw. Kayo na mag-usap about dyan. Like yung agent na yun, pwede kaya yung physical appearance na. Nope, wala.
I weep for the departed.
What if ako yung dominant? Pwede siya maging agent na kalaban. Hindi, so far wala.
Netmarker Festival. Time for good old counterattack.
Baby, baby, let him go. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna main that agent if they appear. But if ever na meron man, matagal-tagal pa yan kasi
I
ano,
weep for the departed.
kaka-release lang ni Mix eh.
It is a fall.
I still believe that you will be here. Until the time. Kiss me, baby, one more time.
Why not have a
I
meal before
will
time?
still with me, and I must confess, I still believe, still believe. Wait, Kuya Zed, I actually found a way to have free skills na Valor kaso pistol siya. Yung ano, yung tawag ito, yung character gear. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Wow, server is still more freaking I thought, loving it. Buti talaga sanay na kayo sa freakiness. I mean, ako naman pala, minsan ako ngayon sa, ano eh, pasamulan ng mga pagka-freakiness eh.
I weep for the
Yung
departed.
Ghost Skin eh, may nang-akasing nun. I mean, true. Pero ngayon, more on focus ako sa pagkuha ng ano eh. Pagkuha ng mga skins. Pagkuha ng mga ages pala, sorry. What I do, all I think about is you. And if we need to see the pic, go send mo na sa akin.
With enough believers, lives become reality.
I weep for the departed. It is a fall.
Sabi naman niya kanina kung ano yung ano eh, kung ano yung picture, diba?
On still waters of oblivion.
Observe the heavens with my divinations.
Pero I won't pass on a pic like that. Crazy away. No matter what I do.
Everything is
Any size? Preferably, ano,
I weep
5 inches pataas.
it is a fall.
I think 5 inches is like the right size. 5 to 6. 7 pwede pa. 8 pataas, over na. That's not the 5-star that I want, pero sige. Ba't mo natanong isa mo? Ano CG or Siege wa Kadushima ko? Now what do you mean to me? All you think about is you. And then with my boo, I'm so crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. And then with my Probably thought may na nasa 5. Yeah, true yan. True actually. Yeah, love you, love you. It's Russia. You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. And when I'm with my boo, so that I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. And when I'm with my boo, so that I'm crazy over you. Ayan, ganyan lang. So does that mean pasok ako? I mean, sa size mo, oo. Depende sa size mo. I mean, kahit anong, ang turo sa amin is kahit anong ano, hindi mo nabe-breach yung cervix area talaga. Magsi-stretch lang siya pero hindi mo siya mape-penetrate. Yun nga, sinasabi ko lang ano, depende sa size mo.
Netmarker Festival. Time for a good old counterattack. Bladed flush.
May win pa sila doon na ano, grabe. Okay, nag-reply ako doon. Ewan ko, parang para sa akin, ano, I don't like it sobrang long. I'd rather like it thick. Like, mas gusto ko yung girth. Man, I wanna know what's the feeling though. I mean, there's only one way na ano mo, na maranasan mo yun. Na actual talaga. Unless na kung gusto mo bilhin ng ano, ng laruan. Eh ba lahat na ata sila nag-send ng ganyan. May milk shot pa. Nice.
Netmarker Festival. Time for a good old counterattack.
Ano ba lang na audition ko? Masarap din naman yung ganun eh. Dealing down. Na mas ano talaga pag ano, pag mas importante yung grit compared sa leg. When I live by myself, I buy one. Go. Ako nga, di ako nakatira sa mag-isa pero I have one eh. Simply honest. Ayun, si Weld. Another Weld. Ito ba yung healer dito, Potex? Lodge siya? Ito na ba ako nakuha ang Lodge siya? You will never love that way again. We almost have it all. Let's throw hearts together.
Found me.
Ox nga pala meron kayo. Nak, huwag mo sabihin yan kasi baka bigla kang
I weep for the
madali ng TikTok. Ox pala meron kayo. Yeah. Do you need oil for that? Pwede sana, oo. Actually, no, mas okay nga na merong ano, na merong ganun kasi ano, um, not only na hindi masakit para sa'yo, kung
I weep for the
hindi
departed.
din siya, ano, nadikit, kung toy yan, hindi siya dumidikit sa mismong ano mo, sa mismong, alam mo na. Pero kung actual talaga, syempre kailangan talaga. Para sa confidence nung ano, nung girl din. 37 pwede doon, just ko wag na nak. Siguraduhin mo yung age ng mga pinagsasend mo sa akin, just ko. More now. No, the ever love that way. Nak, please, kung magsasend ka man sa akin, alam mo na, wag yung ano. Patagalo ko naman yung Twitch ko,
I
basic.
weep for the departed.
Hindi nga.
It too shall fall.
Open na yun sa Twitch ko. Nagkaka-problem eh. Nak, alam mo naman ayoko ng ano, ayoko ng, ano, ganon. Diyos ko.
Cut through the ranks. With enough believers, lies become reality.
Basta next time, alam mo na.
I weep
Yung sa may research, Pinoy yung Pinay lang number one ito sa page ng Pilip. Ewan ko. Sorry, hindi kasi yan yung ginagamit ko eh. I'm more of a Twitter person eh. So just Japanese. I mean, are we surprised? Hello, Dre. Nakakuha ka sa stream ako. Yeah, ang dami. Star Rail. Yes, I'm playing Star Rail ngayon. No, the never. Happy stream, Mom. Thank you, Nak. Thank you so much. Kamusta ka pala, Nak? Saan server mo po? I am in Asia server. Puro Asia server naman ako palagi eh. Aray, bakit? Saan mo nga? Bakit ano yung ano mo? Server mo?
Found me.
How? Usually ano eh, nagpa-follow ako ng mga pang ganun talaga na ano eh, na content. Wala ako, meron ako America pa rin. Ay,
I weep for the departed.
ba't kung saang lugar kang ano, nakatira, doon yung wala ka. Unfortunately, yung sa mga yung nasa akin is puro mga ano, mga tawag to. Syempre, balik ko. So, sweetie at candy, hindi ko sila kilala. Tama, I think you're forgetting, balik ko ako.
Why not have a meal before you leave?
The only time na mapapaano mo sa akin si ano, makakano ka sa akin ng straight na ganun is kung pogi lang yung lalaki. Dead ma ako sa babae.
I weep for the departed.
Di kasi umuwi si Japan before sa Asia, kaya yung Europe yung main ko. I mean, fair enough. Si Johnny, kilala ko as a meme, pero not as a ano. Alam kong star siya, pero hindi ako nanonood ng ano niya. Ah, if you wait long.
I weep
Basta try mo maghanap sa ano, doon sa X. At marami doon. Hide in this world, what is all that I ever need?
Netmarket Festival. Time for a good old counter.
I don't know any other dudes at the Legend Johnny himself. Paano pa ako? Diyos ko.
With enough believers, lies become reality.
Gotcha.
I weep for the departed. It too shall fall.
Ay gosh, natapos pa to. Sa bagay may Valve kami. Buff belt pala, sorry. Fills me up, it fills me love, all the love that I ever see. Oh no, God in this world, but is all of man that I ever need. Lagay na kita dito, tapos dito. Sell kita. Or Galaxy Rangers, yes. Not gonna like Ruby's kinda hot, and Carolina too. Hindi ko sila kilala sa mo. Para sa akin, you're just saying names. Why am I speaking like this? Okay lang yan. Okay lang sa akin yung ganyan topic, Diyos ko. Also, Draynak, kinuha ko si Hoho dun sa, sa, tawag nun? Yung sa free na character. Now I am this world, that is all a man that I need. Fills me up. Nakuha ko na kasi siya nung sa rerun banner niya. Yung rerun banner niya kasi ako umuwi si Bailu, Iwan. Tapos nung tinatry ko kunin si Hyacilin, si Hyacinth, ang kumuwi, E3 Bailu. Di ba? Ang galing. Yeah, I know, pero mentioning them makes me wanna check their latest post. Go! Ano ba ibibigay sa'yo dito? Alala ko lang sa mo. Kasi mas freakier pa ako sa'yo, most likely yan. But I'm not honey yet. Huh? Okay. I mean, go lang, check mo lang. Nothing wrong with checking it out, you know. Are you pulling for any brownie right now? I'm debating kung kukunin ko yung E1 3B. Kasi guaranteed ako eh. Kasi plano ko talagang kunin Dade SP eh. Kasi as usual, I'm I'm planning on getting the male characters. Kaya debating ako kukunin ko si 3B. Hindi, kukunin ko E1 3B pala, sorry. Pero hindi ko binenta si Hoho, visit. Ano to pala? Speaking of. Kaya meron na lost sa kaibigan ko. What is it? Also, Dimanshi, welcome to the stream ako. Tom, how are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Di pala. Bahala na yan. Galactic Voyager ba tayo dito? Meron. Night Emblem? I don't think so. Sino? Si Cypher. Oh, pwede siya. Pwede nga. I-Night Demigod naman. Ano ba nung Night Demigod? Okay. Ikaw na lang. Ayaw magkaibigan na. Ako si Cass, siya na lang talaga ako lang sa remembrance ko. Hyacinth Evernight Remembrance. Then Makaywin eh. The only reason why consider ko si Cyrene is because if ever na dalawang Crisis Airs yung gagamitin ko sa, let's say, sa endgame content, pares nandun si Sunday. So, para at least magamit ko si Sunday sa isa, di ka, may Cyrene ako. I heard Cypher. Yeah, ito, yung character ito. Pangalan niya Cypher. With an I. Guaranteed dapat ako kasumuwi si Ashville. No regrets ako kay Ashville. Napakaganda niya gamitin. I have no regrets with him. Sailing takes me away. The more I'm always sad. Wala lang. Jojo. Not this. And I can give this to Well. I'll give this to Well na lang. Totoo naman kaso bakit kasi biglang sikas sa anniversary pa? I mean, anniversary character siya last year, so makes sense na anniversary character din siya this year. Nasa anniversary rerun siya. And she, welcome pala sa stream ako. Welcome, how are you? How's your evening? Thank you for like live. Thank you. Kapag di ko siya nakuha, tuloy ko na talaga paid pag E6 ko kay Fine. Uy, nice. Finan ko E0 eh, pero Mighty ko E2. Inisip ko sana kung kunin ko yung E1 ni Finan noon, pero wala. Hindi ko tinuloy. Minus E3 na right now. Uy, nice. Oh, si E3 naman, okay lang. Ay, comfortable naman gamitin. Nabuhusan nyo ng energy si Vel, please. Kayo. Wala lang ako sa Redra. Ayun lang. Ang ano, para sa akin, mas, si sa Red, gumagamit lang naman kay sa Redra is Finan pati Anaxa eh, sa akin. Ewan ko lang sa iba kung saan siya saan pa siya kailangan. Ito siya po. Nabibisa talaga ako sa mga TV na to eh. Naubos palagi yung energy ko, nakakairita. Ay, Cypher. Diyos ko po, huwag kang mamatay.
Why not have a meal before
Ayun, nice. Okay. At hindi sa Cypher yung hinil mo. Ako po. Hindi. I think kaya naman to. Pero yun nga, sinabatin mo kaya no? Kay Finon. Anong ko lang. Ay, Cypher, ba't pa ikaw yung palagi namamatay? Iba yung hinil kaya nga. Hello, Zed. Hello, Ken. Kamusta? Tapos naman natin. Nagfa-farm lang ako nag-grind lang ako nung levels sa tawag ito, Ascension points. Sunday RMC DHBT. I mean, okay na din. Ang una ko datang gamit nun is Finon, Sunday, RMC, tapos Locha. Sila ata gamit ko nun. Minsan Sparkle pati Bronya kasi gamit niya Brand sa... Yun nga eh. Same din sa akin. Na-clear mo yung MOC12? Actually, kanina ko nga lang na-clear MOC12 eh. Buti na lang taga kinuha ko si Huawei kasi nadalian ako sa MOC12 kanina. Kasi last time na 2 stars ko lang siya eh. Tapos ngayon ko lang siya na 3 stars, Noong nakuha ko si Huawei. To be fair, nag-iba ako ng team nun. I've cleared for like 3 to 5 resets na. Uy, nice. Gamit ko dun sa sa tawag ito. MOC ko ngayon is Asheville team sa taas, DOT sa baba. Kasi last time 2 stars lang yan eh. Ayun no. Surprisingly, gumana naman. Yung sa Asheville, ang bilis ko mag-clear to eh. I think 3 yata to. Pero noong una kong try, naka 2 cycles lang ako eh. Iba lang yung team na gamit ko nandito sa baba. Nagpalit ako nun. Malalo cry sa stream ako. Ay, mali. Thank you for liking the live, Lucas. And thank you for sharing the live as well. How are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Have an amazing stream, Zed. Thank you, Lucas. Thank you so much. 126 na agad. Yeah. Ewan ko nung first na yung first kong run nito, naging 110 yun, di ba? From 110, naging 116 yung unang kong run. Ewan ko bakit. Ay, hindi, sa bagay, ano ata yun eh. Yung nag-reset yung, ano, tawag ito? Yung nag-reset tong points na to. Nag-rotate lang ako between My Define and Evernight pati Archer team. Yung Archer ko, Maya, decently built pero could be better. Could be better na lang. Yun na masasabi ko. Try ko nga, ano. Should I try Wealth Creator? Mama we. Thoughts sa live stream game. Hindi ko pa yung ano, yung bagong event, hindi ko pa natatry. Mama we. Awin mawe. Tangin ang pakit ng ano. Nung debuff. Wait lang. Out. Everyone, out of the room! Out of the room! Sabi. Ayun. Ay, bobo. Mali yung naklik ko. The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Di ba kayo tinatamad na ano? Hindi sabay yung sim uni points sa pag-clear ng sim uni currency. Honestly, nung una, tinatamad ako. Pero, enjoyed, I enjoyed yung currency wars recently to the point na, for like 1 week, tinapos ko siya. Peaceful village, the lions sleeps tonight. Yung tamad ko napunta sa exploration. Nga pala, mag-explore pa pala ako ng tawag ito? Putex. You know what? I'll deal with it na lang. Di ko pa nakuha yung mga treasures simula nung, ano tawag doon? Yung tavern. Ayun, Upper currency wars na rin. Yeah. Ang dami na ako Furious Upper. Tapos na ako sa Furious, actually. Kasi every time na may bagong patch, in-explore ko yun eh. Darling, the lion sleeps tonight. Hush, my darling, don't I feel like there's too much clicking sa'yo sa... I mean, true. I mean, to be fair, mas nami-miss ko din yung Furious na Divergent Universe. So, yun yung reason din kung ba't mas na-enjoy ako sa ngayon, sa Currency Wars. Me with Genshin. Hindi na ako nakapag-Genshin nga eh. Although I think I'm planning on returning just for the sake of Lowhead. Ano ba yan? Hindi, mali pala. Ayan. Dapat sa Genshin, hindi ko feel yung reward. Sabi na nag-grind para kay Mark. Pero yun nga, I'm thinking of going back lang just to get Lowhead. Pero other than that, wala. Hindi ko siya i-build, hindi ko siya, kukunin ko lang talaga. Hello, Dot. Welcome to the stream. How are you? So, evening? Nakuha ko naman siya. Yeah, okay, go. Si Barka. Hi, Ate Zen. Hello, Dot. Kamusta? How have you been? Malapit na rin naman sa Shinaya. Oo nga, no. This year na yun, di ba? Parang kala mo updated siya. Ayoko lang nung nag-grind, laro mo? Honkai Star Rail. I'm never gonna shut you out. I'm looking out. I'm gonna buy your grave. Wait, ano sabi mo? Obtain one random forecast. Okay. Okay, so itry ko pa si ano. Yes, they announced it. Ooh, nice. I'll stay away. Wait lang. Oh, enjoy your stream. Lurking lang ako. Okay. Hello. Ay, mali. The darkest night. The only one that I want. Maswerte din talaga ako sa post ko sa Asia compared sa Asia. I can't say the same para sa akin. Never tell about a break, let's all take a hand. I never should have shut you out. But I'm trying by your... Sige, sana matapos na maayos. Feel ko hindi, pero laban. All of your face, everything you hate, will not fade away.
An explosive start.
Relation talaga solid John for me. Dito sa Currency Wars.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. A bad omen. Don't thank me.
Kahit din sa completer hard carry na agad sila Yaogong Sparksy. Fair enough. Although are you planning on pulling for NU, for relation units ngayon? I'm talking out. I'm surrounded by yours. No, same. Medyo na-interest ako kay Silver Wolf 999. Pero, apart from that, wala. I don't plan on pulling for her kasi kung pupull ko siya, kailangan ko si Yao Guang and Sparksy. Ayoko mag-pull, pull for two more limited characters para lang sa isa. Na nagustuhan ko lang naman dahil, syempre, Silver Wolf yun eh. Pero not because na OP siya or what. Di ako naka-prepare. Same thing for me with Remembrance of my new path. I didn't care for Remembrance to be honest. Ang meron lang akong Remembrance character si Aglaya, which hindi ko gagamitin ko yung Relic Recon para doon. Galing ako sa online kapatid ko. Dahu. Akiza? I-prioritize yung roller skates para kay Yaogong putik. Si Aliyah, magkapatid pala kayo. Ay, sa bagay, oo nga pala, anak nga. Alam mo isa mo, nakakalimutan kong anak nga pala kita. Pero baka kunin ko yung Yaogong at least in support pa rin siya. I mean, fair enough. So it means ikaw pala yung eldest na anak ko. Mami. Sige, ganyan naman din ata tinawag niya sa akin ni Banana Man nung nung male outfit stream ko eh.
Don't thank me. Observe the heavens with my divinations.
Also sabi ni Elia, hello mama, musta na? Sabi mo sa kanya
An explosive start.
maraming problema, stress na sa buhay, gusto nang maging hotdog sa freezer. Pero wala akong magawa. Takti! Ayun. Time for a bug. Hindi ko makuha si Silver Wolf 999 putik.
A bad omen. Don't thank me.
I feel like I'll lose this fight. Pero okay lang, basta bumawi ako sa susunod.
With my divinations. Best of luck. An explosive start.
Have fun po. Gotta go. Okay na. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy sa kung ano man ano. Kung ano man yung plano mong gawin.
Shadow, don't thank me. Observe the heavens with my divinations. Best of luck. An explosive start.
Ay, na-complete ko pa yun. Grabe. Let sounds like around with gratitude. Okay, do I'm so faithful I found you. Need ko ng ano, sa Argentina na lang muna.
Stars favor us.
I will protect all beauty.
Oh, baby girl. It's okay lang yan. Magagawin ko ang lahat para maging hotdog sa freezer kayo.
This is double speed.
Just go. Sige. Hello, Samu. Welcome back.
Don't thank
Ah,
me.
oo nga pala. Samu nga pala nagsasend ng message. Sorry, sorry.
The heavens with my
Lutang
divinations.
na. Lutang na ng ano. Hopelessly devoted. Yes.
Best of luck. An explosive.
Pero kasi biglang nag-pop up yung name mo. Biglang ano, isama ka Gia join. Kaya nagsabi ko, welcome back. Sabi ko, ay nga pala. Nandito ka pa pala kanina. Good morning, Kuya Zed. Good morning din sa'yo. Good morning. By the way, my is slightly improving. I mean, that's good. Yun naman, mas importante yun kesa sa abilities, to be
Thank
honest.
me.
Pero kung wala kang aim,
With my divinations.
abirado kung hindi ka pa laro ng FPS, kasi ikaw naman ano eh.
Best of
Ikaw
luck.
naman is, sanay ka naman sa FPS dun sa COD M, di ba? I think. So, ano, tawag ito? Medyo, sanay ka naman sa mga FPS. Ano, nakatingin ako sa mapa pero pagbalik sa crosshair nakapatay agad ako. Nice. Isang di ko lang sanay yung hito pagbabaril. Ah, yun lang. Yun yung need mo, ano, need mong bantayan. Ay, need bantayan. Yun need mo, ano, sanayin.
Baneful clouds scatter.
I decide the rules of the game.
Endlessly devoted. Also, those long range fights, isang pixel pa lang namatay na ako. Wala eh, sanayan lang talaga eh. Kaya naman ako nadali ako dun eh. Yun. Yan muna. Tararam, pam, taram, tararam, pam. Wala naman ako kailangan kunin na level 1 ba? Nope. I just walk away. Good po ba mag-save round yung Guardian? Yeah! Also, Quelly, no, welcome. Thank you for liking the live. Thank you. Very much appreciated. How are you? How's your evening? Yeah, kasi pwedeng pang one tap yung Guardian eh. Thank you for sharing levels well, Colin. Thank you, thank you. And thank you for the heart as well. Kamusta, kamusta?
Best of luck. An explosive start.
Stepped out of line. All for the thrill. This next round, real gaming.
Observe the heavens with my divination.
And I keep getting highlights using the Guardian.
Don't thank me.
Nice. Okay nga yun eh. Kasi at least kaya mo mang one tap. Or nasasanay ka mang one tap.
I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round. This is Hawkeye. This is double speed. Time for fun.
Nasanay na ako na konti. Nice. Kuya Zed, gotta go make an account on X. You know why. Go. Ewan ko nga lang kung kung... Kasi nakalimutan ko nga kung paano ako nakapag nun eh. Ah, hindi. I was reading... Normal account ko yun dati. Tapos may mga binasa akong NSFW na AUs nun. Tapos doon nagsimula. I'll update you later. Go lang, go lang. I'm assuming I shall return ghost lang. I don't like the life balance. Thank you so much. Material. 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 Wow. Be nice. Oh, material. Material.
Stars favor us.
I decide the rules of the game.
Oh, where'd it go?
See you later. My perfect speed run.
Perfect speed run.
Time for fun. This is double speed. Wiped him out. This next round, real gaming.
Awesome.
That only. Don't thank me.
Stepped out of line.
Hello, Nish. Welcome to stream. Welcome.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. Best of luck. An explosive start.
The game is fixed. This is Hawkeye. I decide the rules of the game.
Wow. Ano to sa wealth creator na na tawag ito, wealth creator na what do you call that? Difficulty. Ba't andyan na agad siya? Currency wars nga ni. Gusto ko, di ko naman alam na pwede na yun. Pwede na yun. Kasi mahirapan lang sila na i-code na kung sa specific date nila ilalagay kasi di ba kaka-update lang ng currency wars. Kaya kasabay na dun yung babalik currency wars, magamit lang si Evanesia. Go. Now you know. When I saw you, when I saw you, I could not be myself. Thank you for the heart finish. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. Konti pa. Oh, away we go. I joined your fan club for 1 year. Amazing. Grabe! Has it been a year? Sa bagay. 1 year anniversary ako last year. Last month. So, sabi pala ni Silverwolf, this is Honkai Shuta. Diyos ko po, mamamatay na yung first Silverwolf. Guy, namatay nga ni. I think did ko kumuha ng isa pang character. And that's, andito na pala 7S yan. Magsa 3B, just go. Kahit anong boss pa yan, laging castos din siya. Diyos ko Lord. So, I think need ko ma 4-star na si si paano na to? Silverwolf. Yun. Sakto. Ayun nga ko lang na-realize, di ka na naka-vertical na layout. Simula na nag-OBS talaga ako, hindi na ako naka-vertical layout. Nga mo lang napansin. Off a thousand butterflies. Please don't go on. Andante. Obviously, very, very, tagal mo na kasi hindi nakapunta dito. Hindi ka masyado ano, tumatambay. Kaya mo ngayon pala napansin. Nasa stream na wala, wala sa stream minsan on stream. Minsan, pag nasa stream, literal na kasama sa stream, hindi nanonood ng stream. Diba? Moderator ko. Charot. Mukhang maditingin talaga itong run na to ah. On stream. Kakain lang naman daw si Couch, diba? Bago siya magano, magbalo.
Observe the heavens with my divination.
Kung matatapos ko kaya ito.
That only. Don't thank me. Best of luck. An explosive start. That only. Don't thank me.
I decide the rules of the game. Time for
Time for
fun.
a thought.
I decide the rules of the game.
Ano nga ba yung ano? Yung, um, physical, okay. Sabi ko sana kung ano, yung element ni Evanesia. Kita pala dito.
Best of luck. An explosive start. That only. Don't thank me.
Stepped out of line. Feast your eyes, I decide the rules of the game.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. Best of luck. An explosive start.
Hello, Agnes. How are you? Ako. Oh.
I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round. Feast your eyes,
Sana matapos to. Diyos ko. I think carry naman.
Time for fun.
I think natapos ata to.
This is double speed.
I can't afford to lose more, more HP squad. Squad HP para sa.
Best of luck. An explosive start.
Nice. Excuse me. Nice. From you, much I love you. I never knew much I care. vicious games, vicious games. With different names, different names. Vicious games, vicious games. With different names, different names.
Baneful cloud scatter.
Oh!
I decide the rules of the game. This is double speed.
Isip ko kung after ng run na to, ano, I'm gonna go na ba or na.
Elation is hilarious!
This next round, real gaming. This is Hawkeye. Fine, I'll
That only. Don't thank me. Best of luck. An explosive start.
All martial arts are mine to command!
The game is fixed. Feast your eyes,
Observe the heavens with my divinations. That only. Don't thank me. Best of luck.
Diyos ko, parang hindi ka tatanong. Parang delicate ata to ah. 0% pa rin ngayon.
This is Hawkeye.
All eyes are on you!
That only. Don't thank me.
I decide the rules of the game. Time for a fight.
Trailblazer, yeah!
See you later. I decide the rules of the game. This is double speed.
An explosive start. That only. Don't thank me.
I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round. This is Hawkeye.
Elation is hilarious!
Observe the heavens with my divinations. Best of luck.
I'll be gone in another time.
Out of line. Feast your eyes, I decide the rules of the game. Time for a fight. See you later.
Trailblazer, yeah! All eyes are on you!
Best of luck. An explosive start. That only. Don't thank me. Best of luck. An explosive start.
All martial arts are mine to command!
Nababawasan ba health nila, putex?
This is Hawkeye. I decide the rules of the game. Fine.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. That only. Don't thank me. Best of luck. An
tagal naman ng fight na to. Encounter to, di ba? Oo nga. Second encounter pa lang to, visit. Hello Samu, welcome back. Kamusta ang ano mo? Kamusta ang pag-explore mo?
Test of luck. An explosive start.
Next round, real gaming.
Observe the heavens with my divinations.
Dominus effect. Ano, sunod-sunod yung nagsilabasan. Hello Jazz, maganda sa stream. Welcome. Kamusta, kamusta? How are you? Wala na yung tingin ko normal naman. Mga cute kitty and puppies. Oops, I did it again. I did in your heart. The lesson. Nung nag-like ako ng isa, naging yun agad. Yeah, ganun talaga sa ano. Sa, ano, doon sa app na yun. I'm not. Para ba nag-flow yung feed. Oh, babe, oops, I did it again. It wasn't a game. Oh, baby, baby. Yan, 5 elation. I'm not that innocent. I don't want flow, I want blow like the wind. Sus, gusto mo lang mag-travel, na ano eh, mag-blow na may trabaho eh. Anyways po Kuya Zed, gotta go sleep na ako, kung makatulog na ako. Kung hindi ka makatulog, alam mo na yung kung ano gagawin mo. Alam na natin yan, Diyos ko. Hunter mag-ano sa akin. Well, wala tayong magagawa. Sarili muna natin. Good morning po. Good morning sa'yo, Isamu. I hope you have a good night's sleep then. After 96 pa rin, babawas ko dito sa hayop na to.
Test of luck. An explosive start.
Oops, I think I'm in love. Not
Observe the heavens with my divinations. A bad omen. Don't thank me.
Pagkatapos siguro nito mag-end stream na ako. Not inside. Hello Alex, ano siya ako? I think, ano na pala to?
Best of luck
Second phase na
and
pala.
explosive start.
Sana makaabot. Ay, sana makaabot. Nice. Ano Marco Ownership ako? Come. God, to you. I draw the right. I draw the line.
Stars favor us.
I'm broken lost. Fever for years of burning me up inside.
I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round.
Shit, di ko pa pala nalalagay si Sparkle, no? Oo nga pala, visit.
This is Hawkeye.
A bad omen. Don't thank me.
Feast your eyes, This is Hawkeye.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. Best of luck. An explosive start.
All martial arts are mine to command.
Ano?
Just out of line. Feast your eyes,
Saan ko?
This is Hawkeye. Feast your eyes, This is Hawkeye.
Okay.
I decide the rules.
Never mind ang layo pala.
I decide the rules of the game. Time for a fun. This is double speed. Bonus round.
Wait, asan ba? Ano yun? Okay, never mind. Misty tell me if I on the way together. Hello, Jaja. Welcome to stream. Welcome. How are you? Just that be patient. Just wait a little longer. And that's just an open the sea. I've got to get better. What do you mean by femboys? There ain't no femboys here. Well, apart from me, I guess. I mean, question: will you consider me as a femboy though?
This is double speed.
Members can come in all shapes and sizes, so yes. Fair. Yuma. That's not. Putix. What the fuck is happening? Ba't makamatay na agad si ano, Spark? Oh, never mind. I think delicates na. The whole night through. I'm saving all my love. Lord have mercy. In all my love for you. Another 2-star expert and provides a massive amount of stat boost. I think i-dump ko na ata ito dito. Yeah. I'll just sell this na lang. Medyo delicates eh. Hello, that TM, welcome to the stream. Welcome, how are you? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good. Yes. May ito na lang. Currency warring it I see, yeah. Although, ngayon nasa third lane na ako, mukhang delicates ako.
Next round, real gaming. I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round.
Thank you for liking live that gamer. Thank you so much. Also, big coincidence na habang pinag-uusapan namin ni Ja yung yung fanboys, bigla ka nagpakita. Charot. Please, for the love of God, huwag kayong mamatay. Basta pulse mo. I'm not, apart from E1 3B, I'm not planning on pulling for anyone here on 4.2. Kasi I'm saving up for Blade SP. Because, husband collector. And plus, meron akong Ashwin. Ba't yung pa palaging tinatarget si Spark, si Basic? I heard femboys. Yes.
An explosive start.
Same din eh. Oo, plano mo ko din si Blade. Nice eh. Manalo matalo after nito mag-end stream na ako. Bukas na lang ulit. Although I can do the story bukas. Procrastinate ko na yung story nito, putex. Nasa 4.1 pa ako eh.
Serve the heavens with my
Divination. Sige, good night na lang. Good night to...
Thank me.
Ano ba tatawag ko sa'yo? That gamer? Riley? Or what? Or depende lang kung saan kita makikita. Kasi usually bumabasa ako sa sa kung ano yung nakalagay na name eh. Kaya ready, maip na rin. Sige, ikaw bahala. Sige. Good night sa inyong dalawa. Good night. I hope all of you have a good night's sleep. And a good day tomorrow. Nag-outro na, charot. And mukhang matapos ko to. Please. Ayun, nice. Sparkle lang pala kulang ko. Hello, Jazz. Welcome sa stream ako. Bye na mo. Love you. Love you, loves. Then, mama. Good night sa inyo. Bye. Bye.
Faithful power scatter.
Hello, Kash. Welcome sa stream ako.
I decide the rules of the game. Bonus round.
Halo, balo. After nga nito, nasana na ako. Anong play nga to? 3-5. I think tatlong levels na lang. Thank you for the heart ni Couch. Thank you, thank you.
Can you find the answer? This is not a speed.
Best of luck.
Oh.
An explosive start.
Thank you for the go popular din, Couch. Thank you so much. Thankies, thankies. Don't worry, hintayin nyo na ano. Kung mag-shift lane na lang muna kayo.
Observe the heavens with my divinations.
May tatapos na finish. Okay, okay.
Just out of line. Feast your eyes, This is Hawkeye. Feast your eyes,
Oh, I wanna go. What's the name of the game?
This is Hawkeye.
I did anything to
Rules of the game. I decide the rules of the game.
What's the name of the game? I did it the way I do.
Can you find the answer?
Little child, beginning to cry.
Bonus round. See you later.
Let me down. Till I have you. Care for you.
Can you find the answer?
Feel the same way. Do I wanna know?
Decide the rules of the game. Time for a battle.
Best of luck. An explosive start.
This is Hawkeye. Feast your eyes,
Ah,
This is Hawkeye.
please, tapusin nyo na. Yun. Tapos rewards, tapos final boss na. Thank fuck. Wanna take up to me. So I wanna know. What's the name of the game? What's the name of the game? Better feel it the way I do. Only please. I have to know. I'm a bashful child. Beginning to grow.
Baneful cloud scatter.
This next round, real gaming. I decide the rules of the game. See you later. Bonus round.
Feel the same way. Do I wanna know? Oh yes, I wanna know. What's the name of the game? I feel it the same to you. No, what's the name of the game? Try ko kailang last talo na doon nagpakita. What's the name of the game? I feel it slipping into you. What's the name of the game? Can you feel it the way I do? Tell me. Shoota. Yun na lang. Weapon Master. Sniper. Victory Banner. Victory Banner ano lang. Tapos Sky. Sparkle na lang. Mapa 5 star ko ba to si Sparkle? 5 star mo 3 star. Sorry. Fucking life. It's all the shadow. Oh, so time. I don't think so. Okay na, puro 2 stars naman sila lahat. Off field. So yun na yun. Hello, Lemon Shima, welcome. Ay, Diyos ko. Please tapusin na to. How are you pala, Lay? How's your evening? I hope you're doing good.
This is double speed. This next round, real gaming. Can you find the answer? I decide the rules of the game.
Elation is hilarious! All eyes are on you!
This is Hawkeye. Feast your eyes, Bonus round. Time for a battle.
Observe the heavens with my divinations. A bad omen. Don't thank me.
All martial arts are mine to command!
Hmm. Please, tapusin nyo na. Okay. I think carry ata to ngayon.
I decide the rules of the game. This is Hawkeye. Yin and yang. Can you find the answer?
Best of luck. An explosive start.
Just out of line. Feast your eyes, This is Hawkeye.
Uh, Gano'n ka na yung damage. This... And to be fair, I think carry naman. Come back, baby, please don't be together. Ay, oh, matatapos nga. Nice. That very quick question. Are you able to smell ants? Smell ants? No, I don't. Do they have a smell ba? I don't think like where or I mean you're asking I mean to be fair, you're asking the wrong person. Palagi akong sipunin. So there that's that. Come back, baby, please. No. We belong together.
All
Sarado
things
pala,
have
okay,
an
yeah.
origin and are made.
Bakit kinulang pa ako ng isa? Kinulang pa ako ng isa. Visit. Dito ba? Ano ba yan? Sige na nga.
The same.
One more round. Mag-end stream na ako kasi mag-ano kami, mag-Valorant kami ng friends ko. Friends and moderators. Kaya, ano. Although hindi ko na i-share sa stream, i-off stream na ako mag-alaro nun. So, yeah. Thank you. Ba't siya nakasagamit ko? Thank you to everyone who dropped by sa stream ko kahit sobrang late na. I'll try na agahan ko bukas. Try. Malalaman na lang kasi nag-walking ako kanina eh. So, yeah. So, thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who gifted. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of your support. Okay, thank you for the stream. Okay, okay. Of course, no problem with that. I appreciate all of your support. I hope all of you have a good night's sleep and a great day tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye, everyone. Good night. Bye-bye.
So